Hello and welcome to the Birds of Sri Lanka with Mihela. Today I'm going to tell you about a bird you have most seen. The red-wattled lapwing. They are ground birds that are incapable of perching. They are found very commonly throughout Sri Lanka. They may be found in small wetlands, even in cities. They are commonly known as did-he-do-it bird because of their characteristic loud alarm calls are indicators of human or animal movements, and the sounds have been slanged as did he do it or pretty to do it. They nest in a ground scrape, laying there to camouflage eggs. Usually seen in pairs or small groups and usually not far from water, they sometimes form large groups in the non-breeding season. I have seen red-wattled lapwings throughout Sri Lanka. An example is the Rath-karamal wetlands in Colombo. Thank you for watching, and you will see me next time on some more videos of the birds of Sri Lanka.